Now our last topic for today, it's resistance. Resistance is any obstruction offered to the flow of current. It's obstruction means some hurdles, some break which is offered to the flow of current. So I'll explain you with an example. Whenever we are moving on a road, while moving there are many breakers. So these breakers, what they are trying to do, they are trying to obstruct us. Okay, they are trying to break our flow or to break our motion. So they are known as breakers. Therefore, here in case of current or in case of physics, we can say resistance is the term used when the current is obstructed, or that obstruction provided to the flow of current is known as resistance. So here I have explained it through a diagram. These plus charges, you can see plus charges are always fixed. These blue lines in motion, those are electrons. So plus will be fixed and electrons will keep on moving. Since the current here is zero, they are moving randomly, anyone in any direction. But whenever a cell is connected to a conductor, this is a conductor, okay, a conductor is having fixed positive ions and moving electrons. Whenever we fix a cell to a conductor, what will happen? Because of the cell, a uniform current will flow through the conductor. Here the current is flowing from positive to negative. Earlier also I have told you, if the current is flowing in one direction, the electrons will flow in just opposite direction. So if the current is flowing from positive to negative, the electrons will flow from negative to positive. Here you can see these electrons are all flowing in this direction while the current is flowing in this direction. Clear? Here resistance, you can understand that when these electrons are trying to move, these free electrons are always being obstructed by these fixed positive ions. Okay, they are not able to move freely because of these fixed positive ions. So their flow is being obstructed. So this obstruction to the flow is known as resistance.